Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Amazing volatility again today, and most of my traders bank 100 plus pips today. Let me share with you guys how I help them to bank amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and let's talk about the 4-hour chart. As you can see here in 4-hour, we have yesterday we had an amazing trade, long trade here. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So this morning we have a counter short trade here, and afterwards we also had a long trade here, bank beautiful profit. And afterwards, once the price develop a false breakout, we have taken a short trade here, and we keep enjoying it, pull back short trade here. As you can see, as soon as the price hit this level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday to refine entries and exit. If you look at the intraday analysis, let me share with you this morning. Okay, so this morning we have this analysis. As you can see here, pretty straightforward. Price developed last night, we have this reversal, and afterwards price developed a bearish flag pattern, price nicely broken, and you can see here price developed a double top here, beautiful breakout at this level in 4-hour. As you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what explained my trader to bank some profit. We have amazing trade, and afterwards, as you can see here, price reverse, and we wait for price to develop another pattern. Price develop another, you can see here downside. Technically, you can see here bull flag pattern in here, and you can see here price nicely broken, beautiful long trade here, bank some profit. After banking some profit, instantly explain to my trader, look for another pullback if the price is going to respect this orange EMA. Beautiful pullback long trade here, price nicely hit, we have another banking few pp's. And afterwards, as soon as we see the price develop a false breakout in 4-hour, technically this is the market maker push, clean all the stop loss and reverse. Here we need a valid pattern. Here you can see here in intraday, price also develop a false breakout, so we have aggressive trade to break out the previous low. Safest trade is pullback, so we have aggressive trade, beautiful, and afterwards we have another pullback, beautiful trade here, and afterwards explain to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we announce all these pullback short trade through live audio commentary, and as soon as the price develop another pattern, this is the New York session analysis, explain to my trader, price develop another structure, so look for this breakout pullback. We're only going to take a long if the price gonna break the recent high and retest. As you can see here, price nicely broken, beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the fifth channel, as you can see here, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait for another pullback. So as you can see here, price develop another bearish flag pattern, so we have another beautiful breakout as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see guys, how we analyze in 4-hour, define entries and exit, and banking pips every day. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had amazing trade, as you can see here at the New York session. So technically we were looking this price broken the previous high, so we had some degree, you can see a consolidation, but within the consolidation intraday we have few pp's. But at the New York session, we had this short trade here, and some of the traders still holding. Target would be around this level. We'll see how it goes. Right, so let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market. Even though in 4-hour we can see here some degree consolidation, but this morning, as you can see here, that's what we explained to my trader. If the price is gonna break the structure, so we have a trade, aggressive trade and pullback after the breakout. You can see here price nicely develop, break on this support line, and beautiful short trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous low level in 4-hour, and in intraday, and that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. And afterwards, price reverse, as you can see here in 4 hour. So once the price develop reverse, as you can see here, price develop another pattern, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now the price reverse. So what we're looking here, if the price gonna break this previous high or this low here, then we're going to take a trade here. So you can see here, price nicely respected and recent, as mentioned on the analysis and through live audio commentary, breakout, and as soon as the price hit to again support level, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. And at the New York session, we wait for price to develop another pattern, price develop another symmetric triangle pattern. As you can see here, price nicely broken as soon as the price hit to the profit target, which explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. So we had amazing trades on pound dollar. So now we're explaining to trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, these analyses are still valid. Price hasn't broken this previous low and the previous high. All right, guys, let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a quite interesting trade, and we can see here we were short from yesterday. If you haven't seen it, my yesterday analysis video link is given. As you can see here, last night we had this push, and afterwards we had a small long trade which we came out of the break even. After that we have a short trade. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how we did, and let me share with you. Okay, so this morning price developed this pattern. As you can see here, we have this breakout. Technically we were looking recent high and recent low breakout. This is the end price nicely broken, which we came out at the break even. And afterwards, as you can see here at the New York session, we have this breakout, price nicely broken. And after the breakout, explain to my trader, consider tightening your stop loss. After the breakout, we're expecting another pullback at this level, which I did this analysis instantly once I banked few PPs. As you can see here, based on the analysis, first priority would be look for pullback. As you can see here, based on the analysis, price nicely developed pullback, and as soon as the price about to hit the Bollinger Band and 100 EMA in 4 hour, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we can see here how beautiful we have. So now we are looking, if the price is going to develop a false breakout, candle close above this level, then I'm expecting a pullback. Otherwise, keep taking a pullback short. We'll let you know tomorrow. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all these analysis. As always mentioned to you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time, especially if you are struggling in forex trading. This is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis with the live audio commentary support. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train in real time with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader and would like to bank extra PPs, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day and all the best. See you next time.